Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best socket wrenches that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Socket Wrenches. A socket set is a basic tool that every home auto repair enthusiast should have. A good socket set is also great for anyone in building, construction, or agriculture. You can confidently tackle a wide range of bolt and fastener sizes with a decent set of sockets. Many sets include ratcheting handles, spinner handles, adapters, extenders, and other helpful accessories as well. Number 5. DIY Universal Super Socket Wrench. Homeutle's universal socket is a tool that a DIY professional or household should have in the toolbox, used as a replacement to a whole set. A great addition to the toolbox and workshop. Main features: easy to use, made from top quality, DIY tasks quickly and easily. Number 4. Universal Socket Wrench. Only one self-adjustment universal sockets can fit many sizes or shapes. Adjusted immediately to grasp most nuts, screws, hooks, lag screws, bolt heads and other odd-shaped fasteners. Main features: 54 high carbon steel. Universal socket unique gifts. 2-year quality guarantee. Number 3. Langzhou Universal Socket Self-Adjusting Socket Wrench. Vanadium steel construction with 54 individual hardened steel spring pins that retract to the shape of most objects. The anti-rustability automatically adjusts to standard. Main features: upgraded adapter. Perfect gift. Satisfaction guaranteed. Number 2. Sigatu Universal Socket Wrench Set. You can get a 105-degree right angle drive by purchasing a set of product. Has any quality problems within 1 year, contact 24 hours of customer service to facilitate customers. Main features: high quality, driver socket practicability, easy to use. Number 1. Universal Socket Tool Gift for Men Grip Socket Set. Universal sleeve is very durable, the perfect bike gadget tools, Amazon gifts for men. This universal socket kit with unique design can automatically adjust to any size or shape. Main features: made of chrome steel, easy to carry, 24-month warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.